Radio Number One Business Radio. It's time for the stock market report for today, 10th January 2022.
Wow, I don't know, it's already 10th of the month, but we are still in the new year euphoria. When I take my brokers and my traders were at the floor today, they are at duty post and doing what they know how to do best. And of course, investors were sending the mandates and the orders. But by the time the closing gong sounded, the bulls were in control of the market, as we are seeing now. Yeah, looking at the market summary, the all share index added 0.1% to close at 43,897.13 basis points, while total number of deals at the end of business today was 5,060, while total volume that exchange hands today was over 310.9 million shares, valued at about 8.6 billion naira, while the market capitalization still stands at over 23.6 trillion naira. Looking at the sectoral performance today, starting with NGS oil and gas, lost 0.58% to close at 352.20 basis points. NGS banking also lost 0.12% to close at 408.74 basis points. The industrial sector, however, added 1.71% to close at 2,049.68 basis points. NGXASI, which we've already said, the indices that measures the performances of the 30 most capitalized and liquid equity on the NGX platform, also lost 0.48% to close at 1,718.72 basis points. However, the insurance index added 2.77% to close at 201.69 basis points. Looking at the top 5 gainers today, Boa Foods added 9.96% to close at 58 naira 50 kobo. MRS added 9.72% to close at 13 naira 50 kobo. PZ also made the list of gainers today, adding 8.53% to close at 7 naira. ICO, the insurance company, added 7.69% to close at 84 kobo, while law enforcement, Nigerian Police Microfinance Bank, added 6.45% to close at 1 naira 98 kobo. Looking at the top 5 users today, starting with Northern Nigeria Flour Mills, losing 9.66% to close at 6 naira 55 kobo. Union Bank also made the list of losers today, losing 6.9% to close at 5 naira 40 kobo. The logistic expert also made the list, Restarex, losing 6.38% to close at 3 naira 23 kobo. The telecom giant MTN lost 5.84% to close at 185 naira 50 kobo, while Sovereign Trust Insurance lost 3.85% to close at 25 kobo.
Also, we'll take the financial news today. The Securities and the Exchange Commission (SEC) is set to organize a capital market conference to launch a revised version of the 10-year capital market master plan in 2022. which is to reflect the dynamism of the market and the developments in fintech, among others. The Director General of SEC, Mr. Lamido Yuguda, stated this in Abuja during the weekend in a New Year message. The SEC DG stated that the year 2022 commences. The Commission is confident that the results of the various initiatives implemented will begin to gradually manifest, spurring developments in many aspects of the market. He also expressed the hope that as the restrictions of COVID and its variants are eased up, the market will witness renewed confidence, expected to introduce fresh investments from domestic and foreign investors. Also, in financial news as well, First Bank of Nigeria, First Bank of Nigeria Holdings PLC, the 2022 period in time, it may be a fresh start for them as well. After the different dramas that took place last year, and I'm sure they are ready for new accomplishments. And from reports making rounds that Mr. Nnamdi Okonkwo is joining First Bank today, I think as of today, as the group MD as First Bank of Nigeria Holdings. It was, according to Okonkwo, it was a year of preparation and possibility. That was 2021. For those who have been kept abreast of going on in the top shelves of the Nigerian society, Okonkwo had bowed out of Fidelity Bank. And as at the beginning of 2020, had very little to do with the corporate world. Nevertheless, towards the end of 2021, it was quite eventful for him. All thanks to the persistent investigations conducted by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission as well. So, should we say congratulations to him?
Yes, we should say congratulations to him, because after passing through all that EFCC investigation, and is now the group MD of First Bank Holding. I think it's a commendation that I think he deserves it because of his wealth of experience and all that. Then before we even go, the 10-year development plan from SEC, it's a very welcome development, and that is why we say continuity in government is very important. It was launched almost about 6-7 years ago, yes, in 2015, a 10-year development plan. So you can see the new DG Lamido is now saying a relaunch of that same plan, and we are beginning to see some of the initiative coming up now. They mentioned there the tech, that is fintech, will be the space in the capital market. At the same time, they're going to be looking at the contribution of the capital market specifically to economic improvement, especially housing development and housing delivery, and also infrastructural development. So that's a capital market 10-year plan is a document that I encourage every investor, every trader, every corporate entity should look at that document very well and see how they can be part of the implementation. So we're going to see a lot of innovation and creativity in the Nigerian capital market as we begin this year.
All right, remember to catch up with us on our different social media handles at Broadstreet Radio NG on Facebook. We go there for a detailed analysis of the Nigerian stock market as well as the NESD. You have the detailed report there. Also on Instagram at Broadstreet Radio, on our YouTube channel as well at Broadstreet Radio. So you can go there for more information. Have an amazing Monday and stay blessed. Thank you.
She your baby, everything. So for your love, baby, I just